Ka Sorkar Jylla kala Pynkhreh ban shna Pynkhreh ya ka surok sya ka 4-lane naduh na flyover ha Umiam Ribhoi district syadu ki benta khaput ka Assam ha Malidor East Giant Hills bat ka jingjurip ya ki jaka na ka benta kani kala jandep artan ya kani la penpau da usumbut menteri rangba ka Jylla ubak mi ya ka tanat PWD routes ubak Preston Tensong ha ka shipho tarik jemang hadin ka jingalang bisharkam Habakran Shakila Pathai Kubor, Ubat Tensong Ulaong Baka Jingjinga Jongkani Surok, Haka National Highway 6, Kolong Kumba Shispa Nriu Po Hadu Shispa Nyopo kilometer. Ulaong Ru Bakani ka project kadai ka bahe bha, namarkan poi shadu sa silchar, bat ka jinglut jingsap kan kot hapdeng ka arpo lani arpo hajar klur. Ula benrap Ru Bakani ka project kandan hadu san benta fa Meghalaya, bat ka jingsor jamin ya ka jaka kalajan poi artat syaka bakun.
We have a brief consultation and review the status of the survey of National Highway the road connecting from Umiam Barapani up to the border of Assam in Malidor. Okay. So today we call all the concerned departments. We discuss along with NHISM because NHISM is the company who has taken over for construction of these 4-lane roads, starting, as I said, from from that flyover of Umiam Barapani and up to the border Assam, border Meghalaya, border Assam up to Malidor. So the distance, the total length of this road is more or less about 150 or 60 kilometers. So we discussed everything, and now I have instructed the respective deputy commissioner to have a dedicated district committee by involving all the officers of each department be part of the members and along with the NHS. So now East Khasils we already have a committee. Ribhoi district we already have a committee. Now I instructed West Giant Hills and East Giant Hills. They are going to constitute this similar committee for this important project, which is very, very important for the state of Meghalaya. See, the project is huge because this one it goes down up to Silchar, and it I think more or less it's about maybe 22,000 crores.
What is the
project.
length? What is the length? How many kilometers?
No, the length of see for us from starting from Parapani it's about 160 or 170 kilometers. My concern is only for Meghalaya, but beyond that, then again, government of Assam is taking off with the NHS.